So number 1, we have to identify the transformation. We have a minus on the outside. What does that tell us? A reflection on the x. And then a plus 6, up 6. So our answer choice would be, again, your answer choices were in a different order, but those are the two things that we have happening. A reflection on the x-axis and up 6. The next one, find the domain and range of the function. So this one, we could graph it and plug in all of our points, or we could just see our transformations that are happening. So what does this negative on the outside tell us? A reflection on the x. And then a minus 2 on the inside. Right 2. And plus 3. Up 3. So we can draw a graph. We have a reflection, that means we flip it upside down. We're going to the right 2 and up 3. So our graph kind of looks like that. Ish. So what is our domain and what's our range? So what is our smallest x value for our domain? Two. And then what's our largest x value? So 2 to infinity. And then for our range, what's our smallest y value? So if our graph points in this direction, we're going down-ish. So it's kind of sideways, but it's still in the down direction. So we go negative infinity. And then what's our largest y value? 3. So this one was a little bit tricky because it flipped upside down, so we had that negative infinity involved. So we have 2 to infinity and negative infinity to 3. Alright, number 3. Identify the transformation of the parent function to the function square root of x minus 1. What does this minus 1 do?
Down 1.
Down 1. Any questions on those? Alright, number 4. So let G be a translation 1 unit down. So 1 unit down means that we need to subtract 1 on the outside. 4 units left means that we add 4 on the inside. And then a reflection on the x means that we multiply by a negative on the outside. So we take our transformation here, or our graph here, and we got to apply all 3 of these things. So if it already has a negative on the outside, we make it a positive. So this becomes a positive 2/3, 4th root of x. We said that we are adding 4 on the inside, so it becomes x plus 4 on the inside. And we already have a 4 over 3 on the outside, but we need to subtract 1. So we're subtracting 1 just on the outside. If we are subtracting fractions, we need to make this a 3 over 3. So it becomes 2/3, the 4th root of x plus 4, and then 4 minus 3 would be 1 over 3. So this would match this answer choice. Any questions on this one? This one was kind of, in my opinion, one of the more difficult ones because we haven't done anything like this. I mean, we know what our transformations are, but we are applying our transformations to something that already has transformations in it. But you just kind of got to take it one step at a time. See what transformation that it tells you what we need to do to our graph in order to apply it. Number 5. We are graphing the function and determine the domain and range. So what does this negative on the outside tell us? a reflection on the x, plus 3 on the inside, left 3, and minus 2, down 2. So our graph has a reflection, meaning we flip it upside down, we go to the left 3, and down 2. So it's going to look like this. So let's see what graph looks like that. Not this one, not this one, and it's this one. So it's the only one where we go to the left 3, down 2, and we flip it. So it looks like this. And since our graph matches, our domain and range is going to be whatever it says. We don't even need to look at the domain and range. We could just look at our graph. We know that that's the answer choice. All right, last one. What does this minus on the outside tell us? Reflection on the x. And plus 3? Up 3. So that would be our answer choice right here. Reflection on the x and up 3.